is home to the third annual Total Store Expo, NACDS's staple for members to execute business. Hi everyone, I'm Sarah Solomon with NACDS TV, and here's a look at last week's events in the Mile High City. The trade show floor was spectacular this year. Technology within pharma was a showstopper.
The trade show floor sold out very, very quickly, and the thousands of people that we have here, and it's only our third Total Store Expo.
We're actually converting to a new pharmacy system this year within our company, and different ways that we can utilize what's out there and the new innovations with when we do complete that rollout.
It's time travel, trade show style at Vision 2026. From holographic ads to embedded transparent LED screens, Vision 2026 is time travel into pharmacy and retail's future. This cutting-edge app allows makeup consumers to try it before they buy it, and here, an interactive and tailored rendering of a virtual store.
Well, there's humongous exposure here. I mean, all the top 10, 20 advertisers in both pharma, consumer product goods companies are all going to be here.
We believe that here is the right people that really can make the decision, and together with them we will bring and spread a new shopping experience.
Off the show floor, the NACDS business program was inspiring. An overflow crowd was there to watch one of the most distinguished journalists of our time take the stage.
And the industry that you represent really has taken Main Street to a whole new level. You are, in a way, the new Main Street of America.
Tom Brokaw is a fighter in his own right, known to report from war zones on the big screen to battling his own war with cancer in private. Brokaw is determined to make use of his role as a public figure by encouraging chain drugstore professionals to find a common cause outside of their stores to unify the country.
The things that the industry can do is look at common community needs and bring together all the groups that it's apolitical. It doesn't have to do with Tea Party, Republicans, Democrats, whatever. It's just a community need. And people have such a high regard for this industry that the industry itself could step forward and decide maybe about public health, maybe about school inoculation, whatever it is, they can put that foot forward.
Meet the Market was bigger and better than ever. The program was open to associate members and featured 10-minute appointments arranged by NACDS. This is where manufacturers and service providers introduce new products, services, and technologies one-on-one before the trade show floor opens.
As a small company, it's very difficult to be able to have access to the caliber of these types of buyers in such a condensed amount of time. For me to go out and meet all these people would take me 6 months and I don't know how many thousands of dollars.
We're a big retailer, so generally the big players are calling on us, but sometimes we don't have an opportunity to connect with smaller, emerging suppliers, so this is a great opportunity and forum to do that.
There was also an opportunity to meet the retailer. Rite Aid is rolling out some impressive initiatives that deliver a patient-centered integrated healthcare experience. Their latest and greatest acquisition is Envision RX.
Envision just closed in June, so it's very new, but we're looking to take all of those components that would be Rite Aid Clinic Health Dialogue, Rite Aid Health Alliance, and Envision, and tie them all together to deliver a superior customer experience that creates positive outcomes for our patients.
Walmart used their platform during Meet the Retailer to share a jaw-dropping statistic. 1 in 4 Americans skipped a test because of cost. That customers who Walmart is focused on enabling to do more with what they have.
Just having access to not only the large suppliers, but even some of the smaller suppliers that come in with one item that they've thought through from an innovation standpoint is huge for us to be able to just see all the different options that are out there and brainstorm ways that we can bring better products to customers each and every day.
Attendees packed insight sessions to hear from industry experts. Attendees lined the walls and filled the seats in this session, which offered insight into the future of the pharmaceutical market. The dollar growth in the market is back to double digits, while prescription growth is slacking. Here are some of the top trends to watch out for. First, innovation, including Hep C drugs, new specialty cholesterol drugs, new cancer treatments, and orphan drugs. The first biosimilar launch this September, and more regulation and reimbursement issues going forward.
For the chain members, is they need to get access to these specialty drugs. And they may not necessarily lend themselves to the retail environment, but it's important that to get access where they can, because that's where the growth in the marketplace is going to be, and also understand the future dynamics of the market, what's going to affect them in the future.
Denver was a gracious host city, and NACDS showed attendees their appreciation with an incredible performance by the Goo Goo Dolls at the Denver Extravaganza, sponsored by Mallinckrodt Pharmaceuticals. But before we show you a sneak peek of that performance, jot down these dates on your calendar. Be sure to join us August 6th through 9th in Boston for the 2016 Total Store Expo. I'm Sarah Solomon, and this is NACDS TV.
Thinking about tomorrow.